previous session, we have covered flat map. But if you observe something, here we are getting duplicate. Say Java, again is come Java, Node comes twice, .NET comes twice. So how can I get the distinct or unique skills? And there should not be any duplicate. So this can be achieved by a function called distinct. And let's do this one. So actually this is a small change I need to make here after flat map, but I shall not do it here. Let's keep this example intact and let me create a new class, stream distinct example. Let me add it, static void main, and within this let me copy the entire stream examples here. I just copied it. By this time you know what it is, how it works. Now if I run, just let me run it again. If I run this one, it is showing duplicate. Say Java, Node, and all, because we have Node, multiple developers has the same skill set and all these things, Java. So now if my requirement is to just display the unique skills that the employees have, or list of unique skills that the employees have, then I can add just distinct. Now let me run. That's it. You can see now this is the unique one. So this is how we can filter a list with and take the unique values. So just see how simple it is and how quickly you can achieve with a string API function. So that's for this distinct, and in next session we shall cover another new topic or another new feature of string API. Thank you and see you in the next session.